Your lawnmower has two rear wheels. The rear wheels are much larger than the front wheels, which makes the mower easy to turn. The wheel consists of the plastic wheel, the tire, and the wheel bearing. Over time, the bearing will wear out, and the tire tread will wear away. The plastic wheel can be cracked if it is hit against something or something hits it. Replacing the wheel is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old rear wheel from the mower. It's secured with a nut. Then I'll pull the wheel away from the mower. To install the new wheel, I align the bearing with the axle shaft, and I'll re-secure it with a nut. And that's how easy it is to install a new wheel on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.